Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to the fourth video on how to make a beam column plan of a building. So friends, in the previous videos we had put all the center line in a separate layer and we had done some editing. So we'll continue doing this in our video. So let's get started. So friends, as you can see in the previous videos we had gone to the layer properties and changed the line type and the line color. You can also choose dashed x2 type of lines for the center line as it has a better visibility. So just click on OK, and if you want to select any type, you can go to the load option and select from here. We'll just go with the dashed x2 type of line for our center lines. So we'll just click on OK and then we'll just click on close. So as you can see, these are the dashed lines which are used for center lines. So for starting, we'll delete any portions which are unnecessary like this. So these were remaining I think in the previous videos, and also the staircase part which are not required definitely. So these portions are not required, so we have removed them. Now after the removal of these portions which are not required, we can proceed forward, and first of all we'll assign all our vertical beams. So let's get started with this. So the width of this is 254 mm, which is 10 inch. So it's converted into 254 mm. You can see with the dimension line it will be around 254 mm. So it's showing, I have not taken it accurately. So let us take it accurately and see. So it's 254.1 because we are given a position of one place after decimal. So we can take it as 254. So we'll just first draw the beam here. Using the offset command, we'll just select offset and then we'll give an offset of 254.1 we can give. Okay, let's give 254. As you can see, okay, this is the 0.1. So for accuracy, let's give 254.1 as offset. 254.1. So now we'll just simply extend this portion up to here. So the beam will come up to here, and so this is the vertical beam which has been assigned. Now you can delete this portion which is not required. So we'll select this like this and delete this. So this portion have been deleted, so this beam has been complete. Now this next vertical beam, this one, same thing we'll do. We'll just select O, then enter, and then 254.1. Just provide, you can extend this to this portion and this one also. You can simply extend this, delete the portions which are not required. So we're done for this beam. You can simply join this. So this is joined now. So this beam is also done. So any vertical beams here, so the next vertical beam, this one. Using offset, let's give an offset of 254.1. So we have given this offset here, and we can extend this up to this. So this is done. So now moving on, you can also delete this unnecessary portion. So the next vertical beam which you need to assign is this one. So we'll again take an offset of 254.1 and do an offset here, and then delete this also, and then we can simply join this. So the concept is pretty simple. We just need to create the beams. The ortho is on at 90 degrees. We'll just create a beam here. We'll delete any unnecessary portions. So this vertical beam has been created. Next beam, we'll put a beam here for all these columns. So we'll just extend this to here, and then we can take this offset to 54.1. we'll take this offset. So this beam is done. Now we can delete all the portions which are not required. We'll select from left to right. So all the portions which are not required will be selected. We'll simply delete this. Let's see if anything is remaining. We'll just select and then delete. So this is done. So now we have assigned all the vertical beams. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, this one. So all the vertical beams and the exterior beams are already present. So we have assigned all the vertical beams. Next we'll start with the horizontal beams, and also we'll do some finishing works which are remaining. So we'll do this in the next video. See you guys in the next video. Stay tuned to our channel. Bye bye.